also from a sense of security, and they also want to, I think, nurture young talent.
Yes.
That really comes from there.
Yeah.
आपके बचपन का मुंबई क्रिकेट का सीन कैसा था आज के कंपैरिजन में?
कुछ ऐसे ही था. मैं भी अपने दोस्तों के साथ हमारे सोसाइटी में बिल्डिंग में मैं खेलता था. एंड आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय इट. आप जब क्रिकेट खेलना चाहते हो, आप सडनली यू कांट स्टार्ट एट द हाईएस्ट लेवल, which is going to the academy and all of that. You start playing cricket with your friends within the society, within the place that you live, in your backyard. You start like that, and that's how I also started. और वहीं पे मेरे को किसी ने बताया कि यार आपका गेम बहुत अच्छा है, आपको कुछ और ट्राई करना चाहिए, कहीं कोई एकेडमी में आपको जाना चाहिए. And that's how it started.
You really were recognized in the building, in your premise.
Yeah, I was. I used to get calls कि तू मेरे बिल्डिंग के लिए आज खेल आके, क्योंकि we used to play a lot of matches आपस में, जो भी हमारे बिल्डिंग्स होते थे, so बिल्डिंग A वर्सेस बिल्डिंग B, बिल्डिंग B वर्सेस C, वैसे तो उसके प्राइज मनी होते थे, and you used to get paid to come and play. 5 रुपया 10 रुपया होता था. But it was not about that. It was about somebody recognizes your talent and asking for you to come and play for them. That was for me like, okay, अच्छा है यार, मेरे को बाहर से कोई बुला रहा है, तो I should go and play for them. So that's how it became more and more interesting for me to keep trying different things for the sport that I play. And ऐसे ही कर करके started making my way up. Yeah, sure.
What was MCA's contribution in shaping your career in the early days, and what kind of opportunities were available to you?
No, like I said at the start, without MCA, I don't think I would have been sitting here and talking about my game. When you are growing up as a cricketer, you need opportunity, you need platform, and MCA gave me that platform to come and play. I would say getting the opportunity at the right time is also very important, and I got the opportunity at the right time playing with all the stalwarts which I just mentioned, and MCA has played a big part in it, without a doubt. Not just giving me the opportunity, but also now whenever I need to go and train at any of the MCA grounds, they're always there to help, getting the pitch ready for me to practice, the gym, the pool, and all of that. It is so important, for any athlete, and getting to practice is not an easy thing. You have to call so many people if the ground is available or not, but MCA always made sure that the ground is available, and so that we can go and practice. And I'm not just talking about me, but also all the other cricketers who have represented India, and also the Ranji Trophy cricketers. MCA has always looked after all the cricketers.
How do you think an initiative like T20 Mumbai will help young cricketers?
I think it's a massive platform. I still remember the last 2 seasons, a few of the guys went on to play for the IPL teams, and some of them are now also playing for India. So it's a platform. Like I said, you have to be very lucky to get a platform. There are a lot of good cricketers around the world, around India, who have all the talent, who have all the potential, but the right platform is not there. And that is where I feel Mumbai Cricket is doing such a great thing of giving the platform to all these younger players, not just the younger players, also the guys who are not able to make it to the Ranji Trophy team, the under 19 teams, the under 23 teams. For them also it's such a big opportunity, because like I said, there will be so many eyeballs in when the tournament begins. A lot of people will be watching it, and if you showcase your talent, next year you might be playing for one of the IPL teams, and also you never know, you might go on to play for India as well. Yeah.
Sir, I'm going to request you, the last question का answer आपको मराठी मध्ये तुम्ही द्या. Now that you're leading the country and inspiring the next generation of talent, not just from Mumbai but also from India, what do you think is the mantra for success? Something that the next generation could learn from.
माझं सक्सेस मंत्र एकच आहे की जे आज झालंय ते विसरून जावा आणि फोकस करा की नेक्स्ट डे मध्ये काय आहे. कारण की तुमचं आजचा दिवस चांगलं जाणार खराब जाणार आपल्याला माहित नाही, पण देर इज इवन खराब गेलं तर देर इज ऑलवेज अ नेक्स्ट डे. म्हणजे तुम्ही फोकस करा की नेक्स्ट डे मला काय करायचंय. त्यामुळे जे आज झालंय ते विसरून जावा आणि नेक्स्ट डे साठी तयार राहा. यू हॅव टू फॉरगेट व्हॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड टुडे. इट मे साउंड व्हेरी सिम्पल बट इट मीन्स अ लॉट. That you forget today and you focus on tomorrow, only because you shouldn't lose faith in yourself, and there's always an opportunity that is waiting for you the next day. So whether you have a good day, bad day, what has happened, you can't change. So wait for the next day, make sure you conquer that day, and you can only do that if you are 100% ready. So I feel don't lose hope, don't lose faith, have belief in yourself, that you can change things around.
Sports truly teaches you every day is a new day.
माझ्या लाईफ मध्ये भरपूर अप्स अँड डाऊन झालेत, पण माझ्या वडिलांनी मला सांगितलेलं जेव्हा मी लहान होतो की सेम थिंग दॅट आय जस्ट स्पोक अबाउट. There will be times and there will be days where you will get a lot of opportunity, but if you are not ready for it, then you will not know when that opportunity has gone. So you try and make yourself so ready and so prepared, well prepared, that when the opportunity arises, you are more than 100% ready to pounce on it.
What an inspiration you've been to all of us and everyone who's watching you. You really, truly are a legend. A huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. और अब I request the president of the MCA, Mr. Ajinkya Nayak, to come and felicitate our face of T20 Mumbai Season 3, Mr. Rohit Sharma. Can you please bring the book? Huge round of applause. Please तालियों में कंजूसी मत कीजिए. I'd now like to request and invite on stage a few extremely passionate gentlemen who have worked with such passion to make the T20 Mumbai Season 3 happen. Starting with the chairman of the T20 Mumbai League Governing Council, Mr. Vihang Sarnaik. And the MCA office bearers, Mr. Sanjay Nayak, Vice President of the MCA, Mr. Abhay Hadap, MCA Secretary, Mr. Deepak Patil, MCA Joint Secretary, Mr. Arman Malik, MCA Treasurer, Mr. Ganesh Iyer, Member, T20 Mumbai League Governing Council. Can we please request the jerseys to be brought up on stage, where Mr. Nayak will be now felicitating Mr. Rohit Sharma. Can I request you to come slightly this side? Can I please request the jerseys to be brought up on stage where Mr. Nayak can felicitate Mr. Rohit Sharma? Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. चलिए अब मिलते हैं T20 मुंबई सीजन 3 के टीम ओनर्स से. You know most of them, but there are a few new names in the mix. I request Mr. Rohit Sharma to felicitate our team owners. Can we please have the plaques? All right. The first name is Akash Tiger, Mumbai Western Suburbs. Can I please request Mr. Ram Jajoria to come up on stage? The plaques? Sorry, Mr. Gurpal Singh. Second team is Aag Sandheri. May I please request Dr. P.V. Shetty and Mr. Bhushan Patil to come on stage? Can I please hear it for Aag Sandheri? Huge round of applause. Can I now request the Eagle Thane strikers, Mr. Manish Roopchandani, to come on stage? Mr. Manish Roopchandani. We go to the next one. The Golden Knights, Mumbai Northeast, Mr. Dipesh Nirupam and Mr. Kshitij Thakur. A huge round of applause, please. तालियों में कंजूसी मत कीजिए. Please clap A huge round of applause. These teams have worked very hard and we're going to be seeing them shining through this tournament. There's a little one, please clap for her. Our little star. And moving on to the next one. The Mumbai South Central Royal Marathas, Mr. Kapil Baheti. May I please have you on stage? Big round of applause. आप लोग क्यों कंजूसी कर रहे हैं? Some coffee and water should be served to everybody. Alright, we only have like another 3 names to go, so please कंजूसियां मत कीजिए. दिल खोल के तालियां बजाइए. The next team is the Namo Bandra Blasters, Mr. Praveen Agarwal. May I please request you to come on stage? I really have to prompt everybody to clap harder. The next team is the North Mumbai Panthers. Unfortunately, the owners are not here, so I'm going to move on to the next one. The Sobo Mumbai Falcons. May I please request Mr. Amit Gadhoke to come on stage? Huge round of applause. This is the last team, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, sir. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि कुछ अधूरा? See, no cricket league press conference is complete without a look of the iconic trophy, isn't it? It's like Mumbai without barish, cutting chai without vada pav, and long drives without traffic. Oops, sorry, मैंने दुखती रग पे हाथ रख दिया. I know that. वो last वाला थोड़ा दिल पे लगा होगा. But you know, you get my drift. I know you guys are all dying to see the T20 Mumbai Season 3 stunning trophy. And to reveal it, may I please request Mr. Rohit Sharma to do the honors. Can somebody please come on stage, please?